How to get rid of cough rapidly. Gargle salty water. Combine 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 8 ounces of warm sterilized water. Sip the salty water and gargle for around a minute. Don't swallow the gargle but spit it when you are done. Salt has natural antiseptic qualities while warm water moisturizes a dry throat. Combine both of these therapeutic effects and you've got an all-natural remedy that may help you cure a cough. Honey. To nibble on a spoonful of honey or combine it with warm drinks when treating coughs. It is also perfectly safe to provide honey to children older than 2. Keep in head that honey should not be provided to infants who are under 12 months since it may cause a significant kind of food poisoning. Refer infant botox. Lemon. Lemons really are a wealthy supply of vitamin C that can help to battle off infection. Therefore, adding this fruit for your diet is going to do you plenty of excellent when dealing with a cough. To organize your personal homemade cough syrup, simply combine 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice by having an equal quantity of honey. Alternatively, consuming fresh lemon juice combined with honey can relieve an aching throat and suppress the need to cough. Garlic. Add 3 or 4 cloves of garlic in 16 ounces water and reduce to some boil. Once the water cools lower to 70 degrees, give a tablespoon of honey and drink the mix.